They keep arriving. Here is another one, Land Rover Defender 110 X Dynamic S. But when we buy them, we pick the ones which have got the right extras, what look right. And this is another fine example. So this is Eiger Grey, which is a stunning grey metallic. You've then got a full black exterior styling package. You've then got the X Dynamic, contrasting black roof, 19-inch gloss black wheels, side steps. It's got a sliding sunroof. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got Meridian speakers. 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower, price to sell. And it just looks right, doesn't it? The front of it. So you've got the black badging, Eiger Grey, the strip across there, underneath all that X Dynamic styling. Around the arches, you've got mud flaps, 19-inch gloss black wheels. But then it's all the colouring, so we've got black on the wings, mirrors. Then the contrasting black roof, privacy glass. It's got the signature graphic there, which is in Eiger Grey, which I think works really well. All the X Dynamic styling round. Rear spoiler, so it looks it's a real good looking car. And then you've got the X Dynamic bumper that comes all the way around the back as well. It looks really, really fantastic. Now, it looks fantastic from the outside, and an S model is one of the people class as a standard car. Well, this car, it's far from it, isn't it? Look at it inside as well. So we've got Meridian, what's been paid for as an option. Sliding sunroof, digital cockpit. The car's done 2,250 miles. Heated seats, surround camera. I'll show you all them now when we get in. The steps as well. They're quite a big, chunky step, which I like. I think they suit the look of the car as well. So let's start it up. And it's got lovely extras on this car. So we've got adaptive cruise control on the steering. We've got full digital cockpit, tilt and slide sunroof. That is a big one. So big extra, sliding sunroof makes a big difference. Resale value in just in general, having that as an option. You've then got standard features. So we've got heated seats, driver and passenger, front and rear heated screens, full surround top view camera system. Look at that, 3D. Back into the main menu, and then you've got all the other little features you get: navigation, Apple CarPlay, digital climate control, phone, multimedia, all your apps, voice recognition, lots of storage, charging points, USB down there as well. And the car is beautiful. It's a 72. It's just done over 2,000 miles. I think it's about 6 weeks old. You'll have just under 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist with it as well. Look at the space as well. Beautiful. All got the original Land Rover mats, Meridian speakers in the door cards. But the car, for me, I just think from outside looks fantastic. The Eiger Grey, the X Dynamic styling, the spoiler and the contrasting roof just set it off. Great boot space, as you can see. Very, very, you can drop the seats down. You've just got a real large load space. So that again is just another fantastic example. Lovely spec 72 Defender 110 X Dynamic S. Thank you for watching.